Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So today we'll be making some beautiful hairstyles. So tie the hairs on the back like this and make the plaits. Join the hairs together like this and then again roll the hairs by making the plaits together like this. Take small sections and join them one by one and fix it. Tie the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs into 3 sections like this. Now join them by fixing the beautiful hair ribbons like this and make the plaits by dividing the hairs into 2 parts. Join them on the sides like this till the end and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this on the sides. Join it by dividing the hairs into 2 parts like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs and then again fix the hairs by making the plaits together like this. After making the plaits, we will tie the hairs on the back, make the plaits on it and then fold it to make a bun. Fix the hairs on the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it from the between like this and fix it on the top in a heart shape using a rubber band. Fix it like this. Now, take small section of the hairs, join them and tie all the hairs together and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back, divide it into 2 parts and make the plaits. Now divide the hairs like this and make the plaits as shown in the video. Fix it by making the plaits and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now on the back, take the hairs and tie it. Now rotate it using the hairstyling tool, divide the hairs, make the plaits and again rotate it. Now make a bow-like shape as shown in the video. Now divide the hairs and join them and it's ready. Next, take the rubber bands and make the chain out of it like this. Now fix it on the hairs by tying it like this and then tie the hairs on the back. Fix it by dividing the hairs into 2 parts and join it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and then divide the hairs into 6 to 7 sections on the top. Tie it like this and then rotate the hairs and again tie them as shown in the video. Fix the hairs by rotating it and then join them again together like this. Make the plaits on it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.